ain't gonna be out here long. It's freaking cold. This is gonna be a fun one. If I can find it. It's called so it's called the dog's Bollocks. Where'd it go? So bollocks is a British slang term for testicles, and when they want to say something is horrible or negative or bad, it's like, that's bollocks. But if you say the dog's Bollocks, that means it's amazing. It's good. It's the bee's knees in English. Well, American English. So anyhow, that's a little background. This one's called the dog's. I'll try to get through this without laughing too much. The dog's Bollocks. You know, I believe it with all my heart that the blue in your eyes made me cry when I saw it the first time, but then my actual nature overcame me, and the humor I can't help shouting up came sprouting up like a hydrant at the most inappropriate times. So when I rhyme and get plastered, the dog's Bollocks swing up in the rafters and every bar kicks me out. Your blue eyes still make me cry, but the but the dog's Bollocks, I don't know. There's fortune in everything. Everything's great and beautiful, and everything's gorgeous and spry. And for some reason, my reason never asks why. That's one way to get through life. Just make everything happy. Just let everything be happy. Let everything have a positive intonation, like music. Just let positivity rule your soul. Just laugh more. Damn.